welcome back to Rosetta Vera. Today I'm doing kind of a combination declutter doodle video. So I'm not going to talk much here. I just wanted to go through my old Crayola Sharpie markers, make sure some of them aren't dry. I think I have a couple of chalk markers in here too. And I don't think I'm going to keep any of these markers, to be honest. I'll probably put them in a box for the library in my apartment building for kids to play with. But I just wanted to go through these with you. So let's open up the box, and I'm going to grab a piece of paper, and I'm just going to put some music in, and we'll doodle and see how these pens work. stop here. These chalk markers I bought a while ago, I did not activate all of them. So I think I need to activate these, and I'll probably do a separate video for these. I think the only one I ever used was the yellow one and the purple one, because it looks like those were the only ones that were activated. Oh, the orange one was activated too. So I'm gonna get the ink flowing, because it looks like the ink is still good in these, and I'm gonna do a separate video on these because if they're still working well, I like to hang on to them. So let me do that. Everything else I've gone through. I'm going to put away. Like I said, I'm gonna put them together with some random crowns that I've found into a little art box, and add some extra pencils that I have that I'm not using. This one might be dry. And put them in the library office, because if I'm not getting any use out of them, someone else can, and I'll just buy a new set of Sharpies. I know most of these Sharpies are at least a decade old. I was doing a lot of Sharpie projects at the time when I got them. That's why there are some markers that are ruined, as you saw, where the heads are no good, the tips are no good. So most of the markers here are either dried out, the tips are ruined, or it feels like the tip is going to give out soon. So I can list below what sets of Sharpies these were, because they were different sets. I see neons in there. I think I had tropical colors, and I think I had all the basics. So I'll list those below so you can get your own. I was not surprised to see some of the Crayolas had dried out, because I don't even remember buying those. So it had to be a while ago. I was disappointed that these markers had dried out, because I remember really liking these. So I may try to see if I can find these. These were dry mark metallic colors. I feel like I got them from Staples. I'll look and see if I can find these. And this Color Explosion marker, it's a white marker. The only thing I can think of is that maybe it was some kind of set that you use the white marker to blend. I would have to look into it, because I don't really remember what this is from. So that's everything in this marker declutter. Like I said, I'm going to pack these up with some random crowns that I found, and take these over to the library, and hopefully somebody will enjoy them and enjoy playing with all the colors. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. As always, thank you for taking time with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.